So I am a huge coffee fan, but a lot of times in the summer, a hot cup of coffee doesn't do it for me. So I very rarely will do some iced coffee, but you can do both with this. This is a coffee concentrate from Javy, and this one is caramel brulee, which is really good. Comes in lots of different flavors. But one of these bottles is going to get you lots and lots of cups of iced coffee or hot coffee. 1 or 2 teaspoons of this coffee concentrate in some water with some cream or with some ice, and you have a flavored iced coffee in your house for a fraction of the price that you would get it at a store. And don't worry if you're not super creative and you can't think of different cool recipes that you might want to try, because it also comes with a Brew Crew recipe cookbook so that it'll show you lots of different recipes and things that you can make with the different flavored concentrates. So this is just something that I like to keep on hand in my kitchen. So if I'm not in the mood for just a regular cup of coffee, but I want that little caffeine spike, or I just want to taste coffee, but it's really hot outside, I don't want a hot cup of coffee, I go for a simple iced coffee with this, and I really enjoy it. So these are something that I drink and that I love and that I would definitely recommend.